Hola Primos! First and foremost, my hearty congratulations to all the winners of the Live Victoriously Award. This is a very prestigious award given for outstanding performance and for demonstration of our values embedded in our three culture pillars. I would have loved to talk about all the award winners, but I am limiting myself to the team awards. So coming to the Champion Team Award category, this time there were two frontrunners, but ultimately Haryana made it on the back of an outstanding performance in Brewers and BIO, and also some very good progress made on collections. So congratulations to the Haryana team. Next is the winner for the Champion Division Award. This year, the competition was very close and there was a fair amount of deliberations to decide the winner. But eventually, we did come to a conclusion. So the winner for the best division this year is the CSD team.
Hi Primos, year 2021 was indeed a challenging year and it required more grit and resilience, which eventually helped us navigate through. Year saw various restrictions across the country in varied degrees. Higher entry restrictions, token system, advanced booking, etc. And to top it, CSD stopped BIO. But this did not stop CSD team from its aim to grow and hit the numbers. As soon as the restrictions opened, team swung into action and got their act back together. Finally, we ended the year with 110% NSV achievement and 124% GP achievement. And not only this, we gained 2% share in the entire rum industry. Since GP was the focus, we smartly increased our engagement with para forces, increased WOD of black. Also, since events were a no-no, we quickly shifted our activation focus to visibility and increased our visibility. Our visibility has been highly appreciated by all. While the industry was tanking 30%, we grew by 8%, introduced new brands and did extremely well on collections. North for us has led the way by 120% NSV achievement, followed by South at 107%. Above all, gratitude for everything and heartfelt thanks to operations team, sales planning, finance, marketing, HR and ILT for their support and guidance in this tough year.
Congratulations to Sandy and team. A few words for the CSD team. They have all long been silent performers. However, now their impact is being felt as they have become big. And last year, they had a great performance on Bacardi. But what really catapulted them to the winners list was their outstanding performance on collections, which exceeded the expectations of everyone. So Sandy and team, very well done. And I genuinely believe that best is yet to come from you all now that we are set to introduce our Scotch in CSD. While the CSD team have emerged winners, I also wanted to acknowledge the efforts and contribution of the North team in a very difficult year with a special recognition award, which is an exception. The North team have been performing consistently year on year, and last year also they ended with a fantastic performance.
Year 2021 was not an easy year. We started April 2020 with lockdown and were forced to stay indoors. The expectation and build-up to the business was slow and not at all steady. Corona was spreading its wing and it was not at all an easy state to be in. It was more about safety of the team members than business, which was the top priority, and markets were not at all responding positively to the epidemic. I would like to specifically mention the spirit and passion of the manufacturing and operation teams along with the commercial team. Whatever we achieved was a collaborative efforts of team working together and putting themselves at risk ahead of business. I salute the spirit of all the team members along with the support staff, which relentlessly ensured that we didn't face challenge in terms of stock availability. To grow at 19% and achieving budget was truly the North way of delivering business. No one runs this hard and we proved that.
only region in positive growth during the COVID times. North BIO saliency increased from 40 to 45% in 2021. Only region with positive GP growth. 100% NSP increase in Scotch from 2019 to 2020. Bacardi Rums achieved 100 crore sales milestone for the first time in 2021 for North.
No resource is more powerful in an organization than a high-performance team. What great individuals cannot accomplish on their own can be achieved by a high team performance. I am very proud of my team. Top 3 states who qualified the race of Fly Beyond region are from my cluster. I congratulate Team Haryana, Team Punjab and Team Chandigarh for their outstanding performance.
Fantastic brands, fantastic team, fantastic planning and super fantastic execution. This is all about Cluster 1. Achievement of 130 CR of NSV in torrid time is worth appreciable. COVID or no COVID, we are again all set to create history. Looking forward to a rocking FY22. Cheers!
Great sales strategy and unbeatable spirit defines Team UP. 40% NSV growth in COVID times is something which every team would like to aspire for. The joy of doing well as a team lead, not only for your state but for a region as well as for your country, is a completely different high. FY21 was the third consecutive year where state UP played a crucial role in driving region performance as well as national performance. In FY22, pitch has already set in and Team UP is ready again to deliver some magical numbers. Cheers!
That was the commitment what we did to ourselves, that we will get high by performance and we'll leave no opportunity irrespective of the size to make sure that we start doing well in the business. We actually started picking up the pace and randomly did we talk about the epidemic. We had our failures, but we gradually started picking up pace, and once the growth story started, there was no looking back. Team North, let's keep rocking.
Congratulations to Sanjay and team. Apart from their consistent performance, what I really like about them is their never say die attitude and their fearless spirit to take on ambitious targets. I have always believed that aiming higher and taking on ambitious target is a very important leadership trait, especially for a growing company like ours. And to that extent, I just love their Karna Hai attitude. So congratulations to the North team, and I do hope you continue your winning spirit. I would love to go on, but I have to stop here. But I promise to speak to all the other winners individually later. Once again, congratulations to all the winners. Thank you and your family for your contribution. Stay safe and healthy.